Tyler here, Chico Crypto, coming to you live on a surprise live stream Wednesday. I've been doing surprise ones lately on Wednesdays. Thanks all 209 of you for tuning in. I appreciate it. And Anthony too, I appreciate your Euro tip, $5.49. That they have the exchange rate right here. That's $6.40 USD. Appreciate it, man. Only the intro picture is shown. Oh, that's because the live stream didn't start. So yeah, we're gonna get this live stream going. Bitcoin pushed up the 15,900 level a little bit earlier, but it started to come right back down. And you know, I made the thumbnail right when it was. Oh, sorry about that. I got a train coming by. So right when that thumbnail started making it, Bitcoin started coming down. And I was not happy about that because thumbnail, haircut. As you guys know, I'm trying to get my haircut here pretty soon. I'm hoping by the end of the year. It's getting long, it's in my face, and yeah, I'm not liking it. I'll tell you that. And I'm super excited to get it cut. Oh, Porte Lucis. Thank you. They usually don't roar like that. That one was going extremely slow and being a bastard. Yeah, told me on my last stream, somebody's getting a haircut soon. So yeah, that's a big thing. I've been growing this hair out for nearly 2 years now. I didn't do it, you know, right away when Bitcoin started going down. I did it, you know, when we were pretty much at the bottom, because I wanted to really tell people, you know, I have faith that Bitcoin's going to reach 20K again. That was the reason I made, you know, the number. I was like, we are at the bottom, we're at 3K, you know, let's do it, you know. Not cut my hair until Bitcoin reaches that, because people's spirits were in the dumps. So I started doing it then, and I've kept it, and I've done the beard. I didn't start that probably only until 8 months ago, a year ago, maybe a little over a year ago. And I'm gonna cut the beard at 100K. So hopefully we reach a bull K 100K top, because I'd love to cut my beard. But one thing I want to ask you guys is to follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm on Instagram. As you can see, Xbox. Yeah, just got the new one. Hooking it up. Playing games. Add me on Xbox Live. I think can't remember my gamer tag. Made it a long time ago. Top 5 Chico holdings. I've made videos on that and it has not changed, virus. Chainlink, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Yeah, the other 3 might have shifted a little, but EnergyWeb's definitely up there. Love you, brother. Here's $10 for the haircut. It's coming soon. Thanks for all your great content. Appreciate it, Roundhead. Yeah, so other social channels are Facebook, and I'm also on Uptrend. All the links for those in the description of my video, and also my banner. So yeah, we started pushing up, and then we started going down. I was like, shit. But we were starting to bounce, and I still do think 20K is very possible end of year. I've made a video on it. I think we'll get very close end of year. So if it even touches it, you know, I'm cutting this. But one thing we got to worry about in the charts, I'm not a TA YouTuber, you guys know that. I don't look at the charts, I just look at simple stuff. I mean, because you're really not going to be able to predict where Bitcoin's going to go in the short term. No matter how good you think you are, technical analysis, Bitcoin is an inorganic manipulated market, in my opinion. You're not going to be able to, and most markets are. So you're going to lose 95% of the time, while the people, high frequency traders, are going to win all of those times you lose. But just looking a triple top, you know, around here. So that's kind of bearish, but again, I think we're going to hold. There's too much good news coming out. So again, you know, the 20K top, we reached it December 15th, 2017. I remember the day I was like, hey now, I'm an all-star, get your game on. Go play. Hey, Wompster! My brother, fire content as always. Get yourself Assassin's Creed Valhalla and dinner. PS Index looking good too. Looking good too. Thanks for dropping the hint last live stream. My brother, I'm glad, you know, people took the hint, especially with, you know, Hedgic. Anonymous team, but it's growing and we're going to talk about that. And then Index too, so. Osho R, all-time high should be worked on market cap of BTC rather than use price of one single BTC, as 2 million BTC have been mined since the last run. Based on current supply of BTC, the all-time high is 17,700. Oh, so you're saying I should cut my hair pretty sooner than that? I'm doing 20K because that's what I said, but that is good reasoning. Tell us your gamer tag on Theta. Thanks for what you do. Thanks for you and your channel. Okay. I appreciate it, man. I will on Theta, actually. Because I do know it. I just don't want to get trolled. Because I know there's a ton of trolls in YouTube that come after me. And now that I just told them and tell them in Theta, they're coming to Theta. Damn it. David Eisner. Hey, Chico. Thoughts on the Banking for All Act? Fed, digital wallets, dollars, etc. I actually haven't looked into it. Banking for All Act. I know digital dollars are highly being talked about, and it's coming, you guys. I mean, they eventually want to ban cash. And if you've seen, you know, the coin shortage, you know, companies saying, hey, we don't want cash, use your card. That isn't, you know, organic. I'll tell you that. It's inorganic and Fed forced. Chico, I read that you lock DOT in Kusama and be able to get coin for bridges auction like Centrifuge. Did I hear anything about that? No, I haven't. I know. Are you talking about like lock drops and that type of thing, and the Kusama and DOT, you know, type of ICO? I don't know. So yeah, 20K is the top, you know, and I do think it's coming December. The reason I've made a video on it recently, corporate game theory. So corporations are stacking their Bitcoin across the board. I mean, they have 0.05% of the total Bitcoin supply already. They want your Bitcoin, I'll tell you that right now, and they will get it because they are the manipulators, a lot of these guys. And I mean, it's not only in America, it's cross board with basically bank game theory, corporate game theory. Major Chinese bank adds digital bonds on sale for Bitcoin and also Chinese yuan. And a couple days ago, I made the video basically explaining why I think it's coming, you know. It's showing the signs. And I basically, yesterday's video, said what's the end-all goal for all this. It's basically to pull off a really big surge. I mean, where these corporations, these institutions that are accumulating as much Bitcoin as they can right now are going to be the ones that make the most money. We, the early adopters, will profit too, but the noobs are the ones that are going to get wrecked, the majority of the population. Because, I mean, if it starts surging past 20K, I mean, that barrier broke is very psychological, especially for the newbie. The newbie that hated it at 20K, said it's crashing, it'll never get, you know, or, you know, after it started crashing, it'll never get back 20K. Very, does things to the minds. Virus S. Anchor support e-staking. Good time to buy. That's a very financial question, man. I like Rocket Pool over Anchor. I have not bought Anchor. I just made a video saying that they are putting theirs out before Rocket Pool. That doesn't mean I like it. If I said I liked it, I would have said that. Darren Estrada, how are you feeling about insurance coverage in the crypto space? Very needed. It's one of the most needed things. That's why I'm very bullish on Nexus Mutual. I don't have any because I wish I would have bought before the surge because I knew about Nexus Mutual. I made multiple videos on it. But, yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the opportunity. So, regarding this 20K, You know, it's on the thumbnail. I'm getting my haircut, you guys. This is the haircut I'm doing. I'm going to be doing a nice clean fade right into my beard. Do you guys think I should do this haircut? Is the question. I'm going to wait for some answers. How much have you invested in XRP? I have 0. What do you think? Because I need a good, Chico Army opinion. Is this what I should do? Actually, I really don't care about your guys' opinions. No, I do. But I've had this in the plan for a long time, you guys. So I am going fully bald. There's a reason I'm going fully bald. And I'm going to keep the beard because I said I'm going 100K. So, I mean, I could have that beard forever. If it, Bitcoin, if they're doing what they did, hopefully the top's 100K. Because if they do what they did to gold, they're going to do a big old pumper dumpster, and they're going to manipulate it for years. Hold it down. But yeah, so I'm going bald, you guys. I'm shaving it all off. And what am I doing with that hair? Am I donating it to Locks of Love? No, I'm not. I am going to make a wig out of it. I am sending it to Compassionate Creations, and I'm going to get a full wig made out of it. A wig. And what am I going to do with that wig? I am going to auction it off on my coming website. It's a one-of-a-kind piece that will be tokenized with a fully limited edition NFT, going to be created by an NFT artist, probably the one who made the Chico face on the thumbnail. Who is going to pay money for the Chico wig? Is my question. What? WTF? Dude, it'll be so funny to wear your Chico wig and be like, hey, I'm Chico! Someone should seriously do it, grow out a beard. If they already have a beard, that'd be perfect. And create a Chico Crypto 2 channel. And do all my videos that, now that I'm short hair, but do all my videos old school, like I do them. So just for the people that, fell in love with the old Chico. I am doing this, I swear on my life. This is being done. I have 300 grams of hair, I'll tell you that. That's one of the minimum requirements. I have triple that, I'll tell you that. So it's getting done. I don't care if it's like $3,000 to get a wig done. I mean, maybe even more for this long hair. And I want it done very nicely. On top of the line, I want this wig. So I'm going to pay the money for it. And if I only get $100 back for the wig, it'll be a success. If I lose $5,000, $6,000, a success. It'd be cool to get the cost back, but again, just looking at this chart, we may settle down, you guys. I know the bullish thumbnail, but I still think December, but look at that parabolia. It's looking like this. And we aren't here. We aren't here yet, you guys. We are like over here. So we are going to have a little dipster here soon. Why haven't I mentioned edgeware? It's not because I don't hold my edgeware. I still hold my edgeware. And I do think they're going to be the dominant smart contract chain for Polkadot. They've been working on it for one of the longest times. It's just, just like Zora. It's just, I don't know. There's no reason behind it. I haven't talked about it. It's just other things, and when I start my day, pop my interest more. I don't know. There's no reason. I'm still bullish on it, and I will talk about it again. Hopefully I didn't miss any tips. I did. I'm sorry, guys. The wig got me. Hey, Chico, thoughts on Teller? TRB, Lark just tweeted that Vitalik is buying. Vitalik's not buying. Lark is a crappy YouTuber. Daniel Andre, thank you, man. Hey Chico, hope you're doing fine. Enjoy your content. Have you checked out Wanchain's Go Live on Wanchain 5.0? Wanchain has lost a lot of the hype. They are part of some of the Ethereum's main, team, Ethereum Foundation, or is that Consensus? I don't know, but they are part of the interoperability. We'll see with 5.0. Will they bin? Would be cool if I could buy the Chico wig with some Chico coin. It might be possible, because with the website, we are going to eventually be turning it into a full autonomous DAO with community currency. So now let's get into some of the deeper content, and you guys are going to love this. So Biden confirms crypto-savvy Gary Gensler will lead financial policy for the financial policy transition team for when he comes in. And this is what's interesting, you guys. More recently, he has also testified before Congress about crypto and blockchain on multiple occasions, pushing back against comparisons between crypto and Ponzi schemes, and declaring that the still unlaunched Libra token met the requirements of being a security under U.S. law. At an MIT conference 2 years ago, he opinioned there was a strong case, XRP, the cryptocurrency closely associated with the startup Ripple, is a security. So, who announced, a month before they want to move out over U.S. regulations? Ripple. I wonder why. So again, is Ripple part of the inside crew? The Illuminati that knew the outcome of this election? Dun dun dun. Count 'em all. No, that's stupid. But I think that's kind of ironic. And it does point that there might be something there, but I'm not that big of a conspiracy theorist. I mean, it's probably just they saw that, probably the Trumpster was losing, so they're like, oh shit, that guy's gonna be with Bidester and he don't like us. We need to get out of here. But this is a hint for tomorrow's video. So if you are watching this live stream, set a reminder, set notifications for Chico Crypto. This is probably the most important video I'm putting out of all time. I'm getting us fully prepared for the Ethereum 2.0 launch, December 1st, the launch of the Beacon Chain. Getting a staking node, validator node set up. And it was supposed to come out today, this video. I was planning on it. But I did the technical way. So I've already done a testnet setup video, and it was non-technical, a lot easier. I mean, that was still technical to me. This, I'm telling you, you guys, my freaking bejeezin' crap. I was just putting my head against the, desk for about 12 hours. I finally figured it out, and the tutorial is going to be awesome. So this is getting us prepared on the Medalla again. It's not mainnet yet, but I have mine running. So, and Ethereum needs this, you guys. I mean, Ethereum, if you look, only 56,609 Ethereum are staked, and they need 524,000 more over that. They're only 90% of the way, and we got, 3.5 weeks. And, why I'm making this video and why I want to get the Chico army prepared is because, early bird gets the worm. I mean, if you see the low uptake right now, it's probably going to reach the minimum, you guys. And if we're part of the minimum, we're going to be earning upwards of 30% to 37% APY. I mean, that's not going to last super long. I mean, it's technical, and not your average Joe can set this up. But I'm trying to make a tutorial that does it as easy as possible, get us prepared. So, one thing. So I did use a third-party provider, in the video. I don't care. We're still going to use a third party because alone setting up a full Ethereum node yourself is a whole video in itself. I mean, that's a pain in the batutus itself. I don't have a full Ethereum node on my computer. So we are using a third party, and unfortunately it went down today or yesterday, last night. The one I used. I mean, but it is largest, and they got it already back up. So I don't care. People can say decentralization. This is just to show you how, in a video that gets the process done. You know, I'm sure it's not that much more difficult to add your own node, which that's how they have it set up in their tutorials, actually, is for you to do it with your own node instead of a third party. I'm lost. Just joined. What is he talking about? I'm talking about Ethereum 2.0 staking, my friend. So yeah. Some people are doing it, you know, on their own, you know, Raspberry Pis, Nooks. And this guy, you know, he posted, after months of buying hardware, installing software, running test nets, doing worst case simulations, I feel I'm ready. I think a month of preparation on the test net is good enough time. 3 weeks, you know, having your node solid, you know, after you do my tutorial, maybe try, you know, Lighthouse testnet, a different client testnet, just to see how there works, which one you like a little bit more. I've been using Prism, and that's what the tutorial is on tomorrow. And you know, this is a subreddit. If you guys don't subscribe to it or review it, is ETHStaker. Great subreddit. Smaller community. It only has 6,847 people there right now. I love that case. One more big dump before moon. Probably not. I mean, well, it's possible, you guys. I mean, I know I made that video about it going to 13K, but I mean, it did have a dip right after that. It wasn't like super significant like I was thinking. It's possible. So this is good. QuantStamp has just completed their comprehensive token bridge audit for the Omni Bridge. So, this is big. The Omni Bridge is going to go into full production. It's in beta right now. It's going to come out of beta, and it's, yeah, going to be used across a lot of different dApps. This is only the beginning for XDAI. Super bullish on it. You guys know. Yeah, so Hedgic. Doing great, you guys. Again, anonymous team. I, you know, played it safe with Hedgic. But, I mean, over the past, since I've called it, it's, yeah, been on a rocket. And part of that reason is more legitimacy to the project. Andre Cronje, Yearn Finance, he announced Yearn and them are partnering to do some options. Collaboration. So, again, that's going to, of course, push Hedgic up, and it gives it a lot of validity. Index Cooperative is pushing up too. Again, this is only $1.7 million market cap, low trading volume still, but this is basically Set Protocol's token. So I'm pretty bullish on this one too, and since I made the video, it's been doing well too. And Meta Governance is actually coming to Index. The module is being implemented here soon, so it's going to allow the holders to participate in the governance of Aave, Uniswap, and Compound. So give Index, you know, and what they hold, a voice in a lot of these protocols. Ooh, Crypto and Culture is liking Wi-Fi. Yo, what's up, bro? Thanks for taking care of the chap. Donate the wig. No, I want a Chico member to own it. I know people wanted me to give it to Locks to Love, but I mean, Locks to Love, I've heard, isn't even that good of a company, but there are good hair donation companies. I'll think about it, but I want a Chico Army member to wear it. Don't promote shitcoins and end up like forgotten like Ian Bellina. I was around when Ian Bellina and Superman were around, dude. I gained my subscribers in the bear market because I'm not like them. Yeah, never will be like them. I try to do my research. Hard research, deep research. And if you don't notice, the differences between me and them, okay. But regarding some other stuff, Baseline Protocol, Paul Brody just had a big talk. If you listen to the full talk, it's pretty damn bullish for coins that are part of this, Provide basically put out a blog post over the summer, end of summer, August, saying that their Kona project was going to be publishing initial results in Q4 of 2020. That's, either this month or next month. I mean, hopefully there's not going to be a delay and they hold it. But as you guys know, Provide and Unibright are basically like one now. They are baseline core components, and they're components that is in the baseline they've put together. So, Unibright, bullish for them, December, of course. They are a key component, but also another one is Chainlink. And people don't realize that a lot of bullish Chainlink news is going to be coming out regarding Baseline over the next months, and then also into December. And you just got to go to the Baseline GitHub to see it. They have the roadmap, which is fully public, you guys. I mean, I would find this and look at it if you want to see stuff that's coming up regarding Baseline. Corda, Baseline integration, that's being worked on. It's a new epic. Stuff coming at the summit in November 2020. Oracles and external events integration. They're basically going to be doing a hackathon with Chainlink for the oracles and Baseline. I know there's one more thing in progress. Ooh, wait, no, that wasn't it. Oh, DocuSign integration. So that's an in progress epic. And of course, if you know anything about Chainlink, they are highly involved with DocuSign. Shwing is all I gotta say. You can now use NXM to cover Hedgic to mitigate risk. I like that. Nice. Of course, Nexus Mutual and insurance. But I really don't try to go fully gung-ho in a lot of these protocols, Getting insurance, for an initial $1,000, $2,000 investment is, I put what I can afford to lose into small caps. Never go deep into a large cap. But the November summit. So bullish news, that's tomorrow and the next day. So we could have some awesome news coming for Chainlink over the next few days. The Wolper boy, he just put out a nice video explaining what was going on at the summit. It's a working summit. Like I said, there's going to be some, stuff being worked on. Great for Chainlink, great for Unibright. I mean, also Unibright stuff could come out of this. But Donnie Big Bags on Twitter. I wish I would have included his damn Twitter. I actually can do this. Follow Donnie Big Bags on Twitter, my friends. Because Donnie Big Bags is the man. He is putting out ocean content like crazy. And he put out this thread just about 5 days ago that basically goes into why you should be looking at ocean. Deep thread. He is a good Twitter poster, I'll tell you that. But it goes into all the connections with ocean and the big dogs. Eon right here, EnergyWeb, Coinbase. And he is actually going to be contributing to the Chico Crypto website. It's not Chico Crypto, but, I'm going to be one of the main journalists for it. That's coming soon, so give him a follow. And then also, HSV, GTS, he's awesome. He will be contributing too. And he goes into a little bit of the Tesla stuff with Eon. And if you guys know anything about Tesla and Eon, Eon was contracted by Tesla to help them build their Giga Berlin project. So again, you know, Germany, Berlin. If you guys didn't know, Eon is a part of the EnergyWeb ecosystem as an affiliate. And recently, Eon put out a blockchain article, and they mention, who do you think? FlexaDAO, EnergyWeb, Grid Singularity. And like I said, Germany, EnergyWeb and blockchain project with German energy agency Dana. I'm telling you guys, this is setting up, and it's setting up for something big. Germany. Dana selects EnergyWeb to build Germany's energy market, the identity registry, you guys. So, I mean, if Tesla is going to be producing DERs, you know, producing assets, you know, producing power, which they will be, they are going to be hooked up to EnergyWeb. I guarantee it. And again, there's a lot of connections too regarding who fits in together. So Nethermind and EnergyWeb announced a technology partnership. If you know who Nethermind is, they are very big within the Ethereum ecosystem. And then Provide. They partnered with Nethermind recently too. And then the baseline, you know, recently just added Accenture, Splunk, and others. Okay, Accenture, big. We've known about them for a while with Chainlink and stuff. Splunk. Who does Splunk connect to? $18 billion data firm using XDice chain, sidechain for payments at a conference at Splunk. Who helped with, you know, the Reddit scaling bank off? Splunk with XDice. A lot of connections to the projects that I'm following. And I mean, even when I liked these projects, I didn't know about them. I just liked them. So crazy how it's all fallen into place. Kevin Effin1. Hey Chico, are you sure Vitalik couldn't have bought Teller? Tweet from 2018 claiming the wallet that bought 80K. I looked into VB2 if it looks accurate. I don't know. And I'm pretty sure he wouldn't, because Vitalik's not like an investor, you know? Especially with the small cap, you guys. 2018. No, that's ridiculous. I'm sorry. But hey, it might have, I don't know. Never managed to actually catch a live with you, man. Best voice in crypto. Respect the hell out of you. Thanks, dude. Hey, Dave. Dave Clancy. Well, I hope to do live streams around different times in the future. I might be doing 2 live streams a week. The reason I don't do them is because they hurt my channel. I don't get as many views because I have the trolls that report these videos. And yeah, I mean, compared with my regular videos, which I get 30 to 40,000 views, my live streams only get about 20,000, 30,000. I appreciate the $20 tip, man, or Canadian dollar tip. Eddie Parrott, as a viewer, that's a noob. I only know long-haired Chico. I always wondered who the weirdo was in the intro. Kidding, of course. Where's Wayne? Right here. Hey, Pitt and Wayne. Hey, you so big now. He's my favorite kitty in the world. That's alive. I loved other kitty Wayne too. Oh, he's a good kitty. Look at that. He's stretching for you guys, showing off. Fine specimen, I must say. I appreciate your tip, man. What's your opinion on Aave Gache? I like Aave, one of the cooler NFTs, because it actually has financial backing. And Aave Gache has a cool roadmap that they're planning on sticking to, so. Kitty Wayne, he's a good kitty, guys. Can't scroll down to the most recent comments. But yeah, that's about the content I have for today, you guys. So yeah, I appreciate your, you know, tips and views and everything, you guys. So tomorrow's video, again, like I said, please, please, you know, watch that video. And get an Ethereum node set up on the testnet. If you have any questions, join my Telegram group. I'm going to be trying to answer as many questions throughout that day, 24 hours, as I can. I mean, I can't go much longer than that because yeah, just too much. Because I got the website coming and stuff. Yeah, I've been busy as crap. So, I'm going to be answering as many questions. And of course, some of the admins in there who set up a node as well. I'm sure Scotty P and others will be able to answer as many questions as they can. So, again, I'm going to be viewing, streaming. I'm not going to be viewing. I'll be viewing the screen. But you guys can view me a little bit longer on Theta. I'll be streaming a tad bit longer on there. So, see ya next time, viewers. And I'll see you again live on Saturday. Peace.